how can I optimize my website for better search engine visibility and rankings? In terms of classical SEO, the absolute basics that any website owner should get in place are making sure that the page titles of your pages are correct. They are adhering to the rules, to the classical rules of SEO, that your meta descriptions are added to your pages, and your meta descriptions should contain your calls to action. They should contain the keywords that you're trying to rank for. That's my personal approach to do that. And it might be different from other SEOs, but this is how I do it. You want to make sure that your primary keyword for that page is included in the first in the first 50 words on that page, and at the very beginning of your page and at the very end of your page. So let's say if you are trying to rank a product category page for, let's say, gardening supplies, then let's say I would put the keyword gardening supplies at the very top of the page, at the very bottom of the page. I would put it in the title, I would put it in the meta description. I would also put it into H1 tag of that page. So these are the absolute basics. Now, in terms of advanced SEO, there are different methods that exist. A little bit more advanced stuff than basic SEO would be if you could check your optimized page versus the same or similar pages of your competitors for gardening supplies. So let's say there is a good tool that you can find at moz.com. It's called OnPage Grader, and it's available if you have a paid subscription to the tool. It costs, I think, around $100 a month. But that tool allows you to check your web page for the existence of the keyword you're trying to rank for on that page, and it performs, I think, 20 checks or so, checking if the keyword is present in page title, meta description, and all the important elements on the page. So I highly recommend to use that tool. It's called OnPage Grader. You could also use a free extension for Chrome called, I think, SEO Meta in one click. It's a free extension, but it also allows you at one click to see which keywords are implemented in your most important element on that page. What else you can do? As I mentioned, you can compare your web page with your competitors' web pages. You could use tools like ACMrush, for example, to see what your competitors are ranking for and what keywords their pages are ranking for. Then you could compare two keyword sets: the keyword set that your web page is ranking for on the same topic, and their keyword set of their web page that's ranking for the same keyword. And then when you match these two keyword sets, you will see that, let's say, some keywords are missing. They use some keywords, but you don't have those keywords. You're not ranking for those keywords. So that's a good starting point. You can start optimizing your content, and you could use ChatGPT, for example, and ask ChatGPT to add those keywords into your content. So you could provide your existing page copy to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to add those particular keywords into your copy. And then this is how you update your copy. And this is what I call a synergy between an AI and a human being. So you don't rely completely on AI, but you kind of direct it to the point where you need to get the results. So what else we can do here? So basically, these are the minimal techniques. Of course, you should make sure that your website is loading fast, especially on mobile devices. I highly recommend to take a mobile phone and ask your friends or check your website on your own mobile phone to see how a potential customer would behave and what they would do if they scroll your web page, what they see on your web page, what elements are visible, what elements are not visible, etc. Is it easy to make a purchase? So try to make a purchase using your mobile phone on your website. So that will help you a lot as well. I think that's it for today. Subscribe for my channel, and Have a great day.